Hello, math friends. Let's work on showing time on a clock. What you will need to do is go to the supply shelf and grab one of those little bitty cardboard clocks that we have there, and then come back to me. All right, I have a clock in front of me that I will use, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to put a time on the screen in front of us, and then we're going to match our clocks to it. So let's just start with basic, let's just do 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay, I want you to pause the video and I want you to move your clock to 3 o'clock and then I'll move mine. Okay, awesome. So if it's 3 o'clock, that means that the minute hand is at the top of the hour because 00 means the new hour. And the hour hand, which is the smaller hand, let's see if I can get him out of the way. There. It will be at 3 to show 3 o'clock. Okay, that's pretty basic. Figured we would all know that. It's just a starting point. Okay, well let's do 4:27. Step it up a notch. 4:27. All right. So I'm going to move my clock back to what it was. I'm going to reset it. Reset your clock, and then I want you to show 4:27 on your clock. Pause the video. Okay, 4:27. Let me start with the hour hand. If I can get him out of the way. There we go. Come on, hour hand. The hour hand is 4 and 27. That means I'm going to count by 5s with the minute hand. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now if I go 25, now I have to get to 27. How many more should I go? Because if I go to 30, I've gone too far. I'm at 25, 26, 27. 4:27. Okay. So readjust your clock if your clock does not look like mine. Now the hour hand, as long as it is in between 4 and 5. 4:30 is the halfway point between 4 and 5 o'clock. So if we're close to 4:30, so the hour hand would actually be like somewhere around here. But if your hour hand's right there, that's great. Great. I'm not going to count you off if it's not exactly in the middle, but as long as the hour hand is in between 4 and 5 o'clock. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 6:17. 6:17. Okay. Let's reset our clocks. Pause the video and then show me 6:17. All right, this is what 6:17 looks like. My hour hand is in between the 6 and the 7. And the minute hand, I started at the 12 and I went 5, 10, 15, and then I added 2 more minutes to get to 17. 6:17. Let's do one more. Let's see here. Let's do 2:53. 2:53. Whoa, that's a really awkward 3. 2:53. Okay, I'm going to pause my video. You do it too. We'll do 2:53. All right, this is what your clock should look like for 2:53. The hour hand is in between the 2 and the 3, and it's almost to 3 o'clock. So that's why it's closer to the 3. And then when I did my 53, I started at noon, and I went 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 51, 52, and 53. 2:53.